Alright, this is our Yoee Baby. Mommy's first Kickstarter that she backed. Let's open it. Hetty, can you open it? You have to peel the sticker nicely.
Why do we have to peel the sticker nicely?
Because I don't want to ruin the box. What do you guys think of the box?
I think it's great.
You think it's great? What do you think of that toy?
I think good.
Yeah?
No, I'm gonna do it. One more. Laser cut. Laser cut. Laser cut.
You gotta do it gently. What is that? What does it look like? What is that thing?
Yowie.
It's a Yowie? Can you get it off of that thing? What do you think that thing is for?
Holding it.
Yeah, what's for holding it?
Laser.
Can you get it out of there?
Slice. It's gonna slice. I kind of ruined this.
That's okay.
I can only ruin this part.
Yeah, that part's not as important as the box. Here, do you want Mommy's help?
I've already ripped apart.
Oh, I see.
I made that happen.
Is it tape?
Yeah, but I couldn't exactly get it.
How does that orange part feel?
I can fuzzy. Just I like could make a
Does it feel fuzzy like a feather? Does it feel soft?
I put yeah.
Andrew, what do you think? Can you feel the orange part of that toy?
Yes.
Alright.
I'm gonna make something out of this.
Okay. Let's go take it to Miles. Let's see what he thinks of it.
And it has a two toy on it. A two toy.
Oh.
Two toy.
What do you think, Miles?
There's a two.
Oh, don't just put it in his face. You have to play nicely with him. You have to play like this. Watch. Let me show you how to do it.
No, I want to.
Okay, you're going to do it?
There's a two toy on it. There's a two toy on it.
What do you think? Does he like it? Let's see. Let's see. Mommy do it. Choo choo choo.
He's smiling.
Choo choo choo.
He's happy, right? He likes it. Where's my red?
He's interested in it.
Where's my
You hold
red
on to the
thing
purple
I
part.
just
There you go. Yeah.
had? I just need it. Is Miles happy? Where's my red thing that I just had?
I don't know. Go ask Daddy for it. Go to help you.
Where's that red thing that I just had? From that cutter. He's happy.
He is happy. Is this a good toy? Let's see. Let's show it. Let's show it.
It is a good toy for Miles. It's a good toy for Miles.
It's a good toy for Miles. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
And you saw Miles change face in the bathroom.
Peekaboo.
Again.
Peekaboo.
Again.
Peekaboo.
You see the eyes opening and close.
Peekaboo.
He's so happy. He even made a surprise face.
Peekaboo.
He said, Mommy just said peekaboo, Miles.
Peekaboo.
It's Miles, I love you. You just saw the face of the lion Miles have.